evening, everyone. I, along with my friends, am here today to present you with our project, Indo Cars, a game with all its aspects completely made in India. Let us start by telling you the aim behind our project. A few months ago, we started learning a new coding language in college, and when the Science Association opportunity came along, we thought that in the lines of Atmanirbhar Bharat, why not use this opportunity to try expanding our horizons, creating a game of our own, and along with that, a better future for us. The reasons why we made a game are that all of us have been relying on foreign games for our entertainment, more so during the lockdown. So, being the creators of one was something exciting to all of us. Although it might be basic, it was good practice for us since we use C++. And that is because we are learning it in class and we learned a lot apart from that too. And like shown on your screen, many high-level games like Tomb Raider are made using this language. And this is the final outcome that we came up with. And now, let's open the doors to the creativity as my friends tell you more about it.
Hello everyone, I am here to explain the execution part. So, as you all can see the game on our screen, the car, the obstacles and the boundaries, we all divided it into 3 parts and each one did her part very nicely. There are instructions written on the right hand corner of the screen. So, like any other game, in this game also we could just press the left and right keys to move the car. We could just press the P key to pause the game. As you all can see, it is showing the status paused. And by pressing the P key again or by pressing any other key, we could just resume the game. In this game, we have to dodge the obstacles and our score increases. And once we hit one of them, it will display the status game over and our score will again start from 0. As the topic was Atmanirbhar Bharat, we had chosen the theme of tricolor of the Indian flag. We could just press the X key to exit from the game and return back to the coding screen. Now, I would like my friend to explain you the coding part.
Hello, I am here to let you know more about the coding section and how it actually works. So without any delay, let's get into it. So as you can see, here we have added many header fields. And wherever you will find text background or text color, beside it will be a number. And every number will be indicating a color. As you are seeing this smiley will be producing one lane road with barriers on left and right hand side of the car. These are some instructions that you have to follow while you are playing the game. This is the car that we have made, which will be coming in front of the obstacles that you have to tackle it. And these are some obstacles. Our game is a combination of all the things that we have learned in our class, that is conditional structures, operators, and functions, switches, and all. Randomized. You might be thinking, what does it mean? It means it will be generating new random numbers of obstacles on every execution. And no cursor will be setting the cursor types and turns of the cursor. KBHIT. It is included in header file conio.h and it is used to check or determine whether a key is pressed or not. But here we have used not KBHIT and will be displaying the following result. Case P. P means when we'll be pressing P key, it will be displaying the following result. And case 0 is used to move the card right and left. On pressing X key, we will be returning back to our edit window. So this brings me to an end of my project, and I also want to appreciate all of you from bottom of my heart for giving your precious time to us. We hope that you enjoyed our project. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ananya and her team.
Good evening. Welcome and thank you for giving us your precious time. Our project topic is Alita, an AI assistant. So with First, telling a project, I want to say about a country. India is an independent secular country. Our India has done many wonders in various fields, whether it is sports, arts, education, and many more. But country has been successful because of its countrymen and women. Our project theme is about independent India and modern technology. Through our we want to show that a student can make India proud by its creation and invention with its hard work and smart work. A project intention with a project are to make India a powerful nation by the means of technology, to show the world that India is not dependent on other countries in the field of modern technology. Benefits of our Alita are you can run it in back and do your work. You can do multiple tasks at one time. You can save your time and work together. Now, Anuj will show you our Alita.
Hello everyone. Let me quickly share my screen. The AI made by us isn't similar to the AI like Iron Man, Jarvis. Everyone meet Alita, a personalized AI.
Good evening. Hello everyone, allow me to introduce myself. I am Alita, your personalized AI assistant.
Alita, say hello to teachers.
Hello teachers, it's my pleasure to meet you all.
Alita, what is the time?
Sir, the time is 19 hours 15 minutes and 56
As
seconds.
you can see. Alita, now open Google for me. She is opening Google for me.
Opening Google.
Alita, now I need you to download YouTube video.
Please insert link here.
I just have to copy the link. I show you the video. Copy. Control V. Enter. And she will take few moments to download it. Just wait for it.
Downloading. Downloaded.
Alita, you may go to sleep now.
I am not tired but as your wish.
Let's check our video quality, which we have downloaded. Open. Then open this. And also its audio. Now I close the video. Let's read another. Now, अगर मुझे किसी भी बारे में विकिपीडिया करना है, तो देखते क्या ये कर सकती है या नहीं. Let's Wikipedia about a college. It's an interesting
evening.
one.
Hello everyone, allow me to introduce myself. I am Alita, your personalized AI assistant.
Thakur College of Science and Commerce, Wikipedia.
Searching
अब ये
Wikipedia.
ऐसे search करेगी.
According to
As you can
Wikipedia,
see, she has given me the
Thakur
address
College of
and the
Science and
result.
Commerce is an educational institute located in Kandivali, Mumbai in the state of
अब
Maharashtra,
मैं
India,
कोई
which was
person के बारे
established
में
by Thakur
Wikipedia
Educational
करूँगा.
Trust in the year 1992. It is now an autonomous college, which means that it exercises independent control over its day-to-day operations and curriculum.
Shah Rukh Khan, Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Shah Rukh Khan,
Badshah of Bollywood.
pronounced Arxan, born November 2nd, 1965, also known by the initialism SRK, is an Indian actor, film producer, and television
अब मैं
personality,
इसकी कोई एक emotion
referred to in
आपको
the
दिखा
media
देता
as
हूँ.
the Badshah of Bollywood, in reference to his 1999 film Badshah, King of Bollywood and King Khan. He has appeared in more than 80 Hindi films, and earned numerous accolades, including 14 Filmfare Awards.
Alita, how am I looking?
You are looking always cool and handsome.
Alita, now play music for me. हमने इसमें एक म्यूजिक
Playing
प्लेयर भी
music,
इंस्टॉल
please wait
करके
for a
रखा है
moment.
फंक्शंस में. Alita, say goodbye to teachers.
Goodbye, teachers. Have a nice day and stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.
Exit program. I said exit program.
You are always welcome. If you need any help, I'll always be there for you.
Now my friend Yash will explain our code source. Yash, you have the control.
Yes, so this is our source code. It is made with the Python language. So here we had imported all the necessary modules in the program, such as the Wikipedia, web browser, speech recognizer, directories, Alita audio, etc. This is a wishing function. We had put the take command function so she can do what we say, and we had also put some expressions to build her pretty good. So hope you all have enjoyed our program. We can show more, but because of the time less, we are putting here.
So teachers, if you have any query, you can ask us. And if you want to see more, we can show more. Alita emotions. Teachers.
Thank you, yes, beta. Thank you, yes, beta, for your team and Alita also. Now we are proceeding to the next one. Thank you, yes, beta.
Okay, so I just stop my share.
Okay.
So much. Thank you so much.
Good evening to one and all present here. Today I, along with my teammates, are here to present our project on the topic Awareness on Hacking and Stepping Towards the Safe Side. Technology is an inevitable part of our everyday lives. Life without technology in today's dynamic world is impossible. With the help of technology, vast amount of data can be collected and stored, but keeping this data safe is a really difficult job. Just a single breach can mean vast amount of data into the hands of terrorists, criminals, or our business rivals. Passwords. Passwords are the first defense against such kind of unauthorized access to our personal or business data. More complex the password, lower is the risk that one's computer will fall victim to an unwanted hack. Here are some of the ways to know if we are hacked. Number 1, you get a ransomware message. Or 2, you get a fake antivirus message. 3, you have an unwanted browser toolbar. 4, your internet searches are redirected. Or 5, you see frequent random pop-ups.
How to prevent us from getting hacked? Get yourself decent antivirus and firewall software and turn it on. Second, back up important data on an external hard drive or USB stick. Be very suspicious of emails and messages asking for login or passwords. Use an unmemorable phrase and replace letters with numbers or punctuation marks, zeros instead of O's, and 3 for E. Never use real answers in security questions. Make up memorable answers that will only make sense to you. Change passwords at least a couple of times a year. And don't repeat the ones that you already used. Use two-step verification if it's possible for your login. The ways how hackers hack our devices: decryption of passwords, phishing, spam, hacking, malware, online attacks. Types of hacking methods: decryption of passwords. Conversion of encrypted data into its original form is called decryption. Malware: software that is specially designed to damage or gain unauthorized access to computers. Online attack: it is an assault launched by cyber criminals using one or more computers against a single or multiple computers or networks.
Hacking, the gaining of unauthorized access to data in a system or a computer. Phishing, the fraud practice of sending emails supposing to reputable companies. Spam, it means unsolicited message sent over internet. What is decryption of password? The conversion of encrypted data into its original form is called decryption. It is generally a reverse process of encryption. It decodes the encrypted information so that an authorized user can only decrypt the data because decryption requires a secret key or password.
Percentage of different sources of hacked victims. About 10,000 rogue apps are responsible for 28% of mobile phone attacks in a month. The most common type of internet crime is phishing and is affecting 702 victims per day. About 98,000 computers are affected by the emails that arrive in the computers. Some precautions that should be taken while surfing online are: keep personal information limited, keep your privacy settings on, practice safe browsing, be careful what you download, choose strong password, and make online purchase from secure sites. This brings us to the end of our project, and we would like to thank you for all the interest and attention. A warm and hearty welcome to everyone. Thanks for having us. Self-reliant, Atmanirbhar. Let me introduce to the topic. Atmanirbhar Bharat, the economic triggered by the coronavirus pandemic in 2020, posed by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. This Abhiyan will play an important role in making India self-reliant, and it would benefit laborers, farmers, honest taxpayers, etc. Why we have chosen this topic? Has Atmanirbhar Bharat has
The partner of the team can start.
Yes, FI, any partner is there?
If I Raj,
Mr. Raj, any partner is there for you? Who can help you?
left.
Sir, she is the speaker.
Okay, but you can see it if she is not able to join.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, please continue.
Our next topic is why to be self-reliant. First option is that to rebuild the economy, India needs to be Atmanirbhar in ideas, which is the second point. Liquidity infusions and direct cash transfer into the account of laborers and daily wage earners. Third is to promote India, a made in India good in worldwide trading markets. Four is to promoting young generation ideas into invention and development. Then, Miss, just 1 minute. I'm facing internet problem.
Yeah.
I will continue it.
Yeah.
And then our contributions. The first is that increasing the females' employment rates in India to match that of Sweden could boost GDP by over approximately 60 trillion USD dollars. Then the second point is that the value of Indian rupees in global markets keeps on decreasing every year as it affects our per capita income and minimum. So we should increase imports and exports, employment growth rates, banking capitals, and should decrease foreign investment inflows, investing in foreign companies and supporting foreign brands. Then third point is that our contribution to ISRO and to several research sectors can improve our lives, advance our future, and develop our India towards the digital India. The fourth point is that contributing a 5% salary for child welfare and development can increase literacy rate in India and even reduces infant mortality rate, increases human life expectancy, and boosts GDP. The fifth point is that bringing gamification in our education system makes self-learning easier and conceptual. Then let's see opportunities available online. The first opportunity is that online jobs for women, gamification education, science research and development, online marketing, esports and entertainment, online banking, graphic designing, influencing and sponsoring. Then let's understand better by an example. Esports has been very popular topic in these times as many countries and many big brands are promoting the esports player. But in India, esport isn't very popular, so no sponsor causes, no promotion of players to represent India's sports in the world. The first team to achieve a prize pool of rupees 20 lakh in the first match is UCipher. Afterwards, many game players represented India and made us proud. Let's see the photo of UCipher, which represent that they've won the first season and they've got the 20 lakh prize pool. Then let's see some more glimpses of esports played in India. Thank you so much, sir.
This is what I'm feeling.